haven't seen one of these since I was like 6, 8. That just shows how young I am. But like, this is the thing when you had like
PS2, bro.
PS2, yeah, you plugged it into the back of like the big ass TV. Damn, that's wild.
Brings you back, doesn't it? Crash Bandicoot days.
Crash Bandicoot, bro.
And what was the one with the dragons?
Spyro.
That was my game,
Spyro, bro. What else did I play on there? I don't think this is gonna fit. This is literally a time capsule.
All right, guys. So just a quick update. We are currently working on the center console right now. We've got the radio out, which is right here, the big old hole right there. Next is going to be the what would you call this? The AC unit.
Climate control.
Climate control. Thank you for your 2 cents right there, Robson. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Realistically, guys, the whole car is basically completely gutted. We've got all the seats out. The rear right here is pretty much out. We've got the headliner out. All the doors, all those are out. So realistically, now we just have the center console and then a couple little plastic pieces just around the car. And that's gonna be it for the gutting, right?
Just about, yeah. I mean, I don't know what's underneath all this. I think it's just the transmission stuff.
I think the transmission sits right here.
Yeah,
I'm pretty
so
sure.
it's
because the engine's right there. Like you could hear it when you're driving.
So it's just this like pleather gross stuff that we're gonna rip out and replace, and then this thing.
I kind of just want to go like this
and then just have
snap,
it
and it's doing like summarize 5 videos just like in one.
Me too. I wish I could snap and it would be done.
Yes, unfortunately we can't do that.
That'd be a pretty dope superpower, though.
So
I'd take it.
It's a little dark in here, guys, so bear with us. But
yeah, I'm gonna go grab my tools.
Let's see, this car, from the looks of it, like all of this extra stuff underneath the vehicle, it probably has not been cleaned since the car was first like purchased in 2001. So, I mean, you could just check it out for yourself. Look how dirty it is. Look at those pedals, rust on the pedals. I mean, this, look, the car was originally white, and these are probably here from when they painted it black, which we have no idea when this happened, but it's a good start.
Maybe not.
How are you gonna get me excited
Bro,
to see this big piece come out?
I lied. Maybe this big piece has to come out first. I don't even know if this was.
Oh,
whoa!
okay.
Hey, here we go, guys.
Slow your roll, Turbo. Watch out, teaser right here.
Whoa, got
Got
him.
him.
All right.
It should just come right off.
There's a little plug there, and then bye-bye.
Right there.
This one.
Grab this one too.
There's that. I don't think that's connected to anything.
Are you sure?
I mean, it's connected to something there. We'll get to it. This
Okay.
is just gonna get thrown out.
Were you gonna hand it to me? The guy with the camera?
I was gonna throw it out that way.
Interesting.
I don't know what.
Grab the
this-
flashlight, it's on the door right there. I want to get a closer look at what this is. I see like small turbines in there. Yeah.
My back is gonna be destroyed. Like, look, this is how I've been walking around all day. Like, oh, it's not pleasant. All right.
What is this, Robson?
I don't know, but that is.
It's some kind of turbine.
I really.
Let's get some professional assistance. Houston! Will you grab your boss?
I just know this is like straight grease.
Will you grab your boss?
Houston. We need some professional assistance here.
Yeah, we need some assistance. We're trying to educate our viewers on what this turbine is for right here in the middle.
This?
Yes.
That's the air conditioner.
That's the, oh.
Yeah. It's not moving.
This is true. It's a little grimy.
It's not grimy. It's that's what it's like
Insulation?
yeah, it's like an insulation that's spray on.
Oh, really?
Well,
Yeah.
I wouldn't lick it.
It's the blower motor for the AC.
You know what? That's probably what we were smelling, to be honest, when we were driving.
No.
You don't think so?
No, something else. It was an electrical fire for sure.
No, I'm not saying yesterday when we were driving back from California.
Oh, no, that was also coolant. That was coolant. This looks like it's all the way connected over there, is it?
No, it disconnects right here.
Is there some stuff on it? Maybe.
Why don't you just pull this light out? I mean, it's this Phillips screwdriver right there to take the light off.
You're trying to maneuver around.
I've just left it in here. I kind of like it. It's my friend.
How'd you guys meet?
You know, I was screwing her. And she just, you know, fell down and, you know.
She fell in love?
She just fell for me.
No pun intended. Looks like you're letting her go though.
Hey, in all seriousness, guys, sometimes you just gotta let them go. You gotta let them fly free.
Are you gonna grab a wrench?
Not on this one, no. You guys are almost there. Just taking a look at all the beautiful wiring they've got in here.
It's like a time capsule.
It is. It's kind of funny to see that.
When was the last time you ever saw one of these?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Like,
that's what your backup camera comes from. Yeah, it's funny.
this is. I don't really know why these are connected.
What is that thing? That's what I want to know.
I really don't know.
Let's see.
Steel mate.
Yeah, but what does it do? It's probably for the winch.
Oh, it definitely is. That makes no sense. Progress. Aha! Found it, Mario.
You didn't see that piece there before?
No, there was just this one bolt, right?
Yeah, I mean that's. That was the culprit right there.
Boom.
Looking at my shit. All right.
You're gonna have to put it in.
You think? I don't know.
Here, excuse me, Mario. Let me help him. Just FYI, things just don't go into gear, right?
Without the keys?
Without like the car running and stuff. So. No, but it's not going to come out because the damn thing's in first gear.
Okay. Well. Anyway.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, Mario.
I found $1. This is a 20-year-old dollar. Maybe it'll be worth $2.
Okay, be careful now. You got a lot of unplugging to do.
Oh yeah.
Hey Houston, you should turn off the music. It might be copyright.
Can we put this back?
There we go. Cool.
All right. We have a lot of unplugging to do on the back of that.
Yeah. Good
Yeah,
thing I
you
have
do.
my handy dandy unplugging tool. Parkour. All right. What?
This bracket right here.
Oh,
This
yeah,
bracket?
I see it.
That's basically the only thing holding it on besides the window panel.
Okay. Cool. That's.
They know where we are. I found the tracker.
So what came first? Were these first produced for civilians or for soldiers?
Obviously soldiers, that they were produced in the early 80s. Even earlier, that's probably early 80s. But it could have been earlier than that too.
What fun facts do you have about this?
The reason we have civilian Hummers is because of Arnold Schwarzenegger. He's basically the main reason why these were made for people. Because, you know, I don't really know why, but he wanted them, and, well, we all have them. Right, the white
Oh, yeah.
piece.
Did that little pick I had, that orange one?
Right here.
Thank you. This makes unplugging things so easy. Sounds like two-sided. I don't know why they did that.
Okay, on the other side, you got those window switches there.
Cool.
The main piece is free. Let's go.
Which way do you want to go with it?
Yours. I don't have two arms over here.
just gonna be a compilation of the stuff. Oh, well. Wow, Mario, a CD that came back from Iraq. And some insurance.
Hey, what do you have against Iraq, man? It's 2019. It's not 2001.
It's an insurance document.
You know, for when the soldiers get pulled over in Iraq, they can show them their Allstate papers.
What happened?
I don't know.
Did some get in your mouth?
I don't know. I just saw this and I touched it and I was like, that's pretty fucking gnarly.
Oh my god. Oh, is that a Spyder? I'm just kidding, man.
Spyder? Where?
All right, Robson, come on. Stop casting spells with your wand.
I'm putting on gloves.
Where are you going?
I'm putting on gloves!
This is probably the dirtiest part of the car right here, for sure. Look at that. That's 20 years of disgust in here. Surprisingly, the wires are holding strong.
I feel like this has like asbestos or whatever it's called in
Asbestos?
it. Asbestos. And I'm gonna die.
Asbestos.
Asbestos.
Whatever. Yeah, you probably should put on a mask.
Nah. Fuck it. Look at this bitch. Get over here. That's all my shoes.
Oh.
It smells so bad, guys. It smells like wet dog and fucking your grandmother's carpet. Like, what is this? What is this contraption?
Come on. Give it 2 yanks. 2 good yanks. 1, 2. Yeah.
Jesus fuck. Stay in school, kids.
Hey, that's a wrap right there, man. That's it.
That was it, guys.
That's the last one.
Still got a little bit of
Some residue.
some string cheese for you guys. Anybody hungry? But no. So that's about it. We spent about
Full breakthrough. Let's
Yeah.
see it. Or let's
this
hear
is
it
pretty
actually.
much every trim piece panel in the car. It's all going to be redone, as you know. We're going to kind of go around. I'll show you everything. It took us about 4 hours.
Talk to the
probably.
camera, please.
4 hours total runtime. Still got to pull the bumper off, and the roof rack stuff, but that's marginal. As you can see, seats, every piece of trim, and yeah, now it's off to paint.